footage of the game, ladies and gentlemen. And it's getting thick out here. We got now 38-35. Oh, listen, another one, and I missed it. That was in the way. I apologize for my son. That was my fault. He got four. Just good, just in a nice shot. On this show, ladies and gentlemen. It's unbelievable, right? But it's right now going on. You see who's calling? No. Competition has got fixed. Their card is out on dirt. It's real thick out there, ladies and gentlemen. Do I see a battle going on? Did I get a UGTV 2012? UGTV, a.k.a. You know what I'm saying, Young Jew Man. Yeah, you know who's losing by the attitude. It's going live on YouTube tonight. On the game, YouTube tonight, baby. This is shooting live right now. The time is, when you want to press that button right there, the top one. Bro, they can't guard you, bro. Check it out. As the light show goes on, baby. This is how we doing it over here, you know what I mean? Game time. You see the lights on the box, baby. We do it. We're blacking out now. Shane, blackout. You know what I mean? Get ready for that coming. That's coming too. UZ 2012 blackout. Get ready for that. Blackout Cypher, Austin Hood.